How to use summary reports. Summary reports can be used both during and after storm events. Summary reports are exactly as they sound. They are intended to provide you with summarized or grouped information so that you can see a bird's eye view without having to look at all of the details. Click on the fourth option of your home menu, which says Summary Reports, and you will see a variety of options: time and attendance, dispatch vehicles, abrasive usage, roadway issues, vehicle problems, repairs, and event cost. By clicking on time and attendance as an example, your summary reports will look very similar to this screen. At the top of the screen is a table, and that table has summarized information. Below the table is a graphical representation of what you are seeing in the numbers of your table above. You will notice on the left-hand side reflects how the information is grouped or categorized. At the top, you will see Select Cost by Group. Right now, we are looking at a grouping by the dispatch yard. If we change that for people to group it by the storm role, what we will see are all the roles used during a storm event and the costs associated with each of those roles. I can also change this to look at it by the office agency, and you can see my grouping changes. It also changes the graphical representation below. The export options for summary reports are intended to reflect exporting the table only. If you want to copy the graphical representation also to your exported results, simply click on the table, right-click it, click on the option that says Copy Image, and once you have exported it to Excel or Word, you can then right-click and paste